In this lesson, we will discuss the animal registration, specifically the dashboard, registration screen, which has both required and optional information, as well as the animal profile. Let's begin on the Regstr dashboard, where you will click to register an animal. On the Member Options screen, you can select several member options such as creating a recipient dam or submitting information for your animals to be registered, such as animal sex, sire, certificate information, SCR or color score, service type, whole brand information, or private herd number location. From the resulting animal registration screen, you will see several options for submitting forms, loading form data, and both required and optional information. The registration screen will step you through multiple pieces of information which may be required by your breed association, such as animal sex and date of birth. In step 2, you can select and drill down to find both a sire and dam for this calf's registration. In step 3, you can provide the animal name, private herd number, and private herd number location. You may notice the private herd number location has been pre-selected. This was chosen on the previous screen and is represented here for your convenience. In step 4, you can provide the member assigned contemporary group, service type, and birth type. In step 5, you will select the color and SCR score and provide certificate information. Optional information is not required, but highly recommended. Once your animal has been registered, you can click to view their profile. On the animal profile, you can see their registration information and, if available, pedigree estimate EPDs. You can also view their performance information based upon all information provided. Thank you for watching this Regstr how-to. Here is a review of all information discussed in this lesson.